Hello students, how are you? Now today we are going to study the second part of lesson number 5, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. We are going to study today about Brazil vegetation. India's vegetation you have already completed its explanation. Now in Brazil rainfall varies due to physiography. Rainfall varies means it differs from place to place because of the Brazil's physiography. Physiography means physical features. In most parts of the equatorial region, the equatorial region is the region from where the equator is passing. As you all know, equator is passing through the northern part of Brazil, so it is known as equatorial region. It rains throughout the year. Every afternoon it's rain heavily there in equatorial region. As one moves away from the equator means as you move from north to south of Brazil, the number of rainy days as well as amount of rainfall reduces, and because of this the vegetation also differ. So this affects the lifestyle of the vegetation too. Every evergreen forests are found in the area where it rains throughout the year. Evergreen forest means the forest those who remain green throughout the year. Means they shed their leaves. The trees they shed their leaves, but they do not shed their leaves together. They shed their leaves in different seasons, so the forests remain green for throughout the year. In regions which receive rainfall only during certain seasons, the density of the vegetation reduces. Instead of forests, various type of grasses, short shrubs, thorny vegetation, etc. are found in that region. Brazil has the largest number of vegetation species in the world. This includes evergreen vegetation, semi-evergreen, arid, etc. Semi-evergreen means they are deciduous type of forests, and arid means dry. One finds trees like pau Brasil. Pau Brasil are found in large number in Brazil. Because of this tree's name, this country has acquired the name Brazil because of the tree Pau Brasil. Rubber, mahogany, rosewood, and a variety of orchids. Orchids means fruit gardens are there in Brazil. Because of the evergreen rainforests in Brazil, there is a large amount of oxygen that is released in the environment. They are too dense, these forests. Some of them are inaccessible, means you cannot go through those forests, and the trees are too tall and the branches are too thick. Even sunlight in many places cannot reach up to the ground, and the ground remains muddy always there in Brazilian forest. They are also known as rainforest also in equatorial region. So there is these green leaves, they release large amount of oxygen. This helps to reduce carbon dioxide level. Therefore these rainforests are rightly called the lungs of the world. So uh, the rainforest of Brazil have acquired a name, lungs of the world. This name which is acquired by the rainforest is important for give reason. Now let's see page 32, figure 5.2, physiography, natural vegetation and wildlife. With this diagram you have to understand about the Brazilian map also. Figure 5.2, from north will start various type of apes. Here you can see on your left hand the height is shown here, 500 to 1000 meter of height. This area where various types of apes are found, 400, the area covers 400 kilometer to 1200 kilometer. And here with the red color line you can see the 21 degrees Celsius. and the rainfall is 1600 mm in this area. So this area is known as for the apes and reptiles. Apes means various types of monkeys, and reptiles. Reptiles means those who crawl on the ground. Now, arboreal animals. Arboreal animals, they live on the trees, and aquatic animals are also found in this region from 400 to 1200 to 2000 kilometer. So this area, equatorial forest and tropical forest are there. So this, in this map you can see on both the side of Amazon river there are equatorial forest, and apes, various apes and all are found here in the highland. If you see the physical map of Brazil, you can see Guiana Highland is here, and the highland area where the height is 500 to 1000 meter, which is shown here. Here this apes and various types of apes and reptiles are found here on in the Amazon river basin area, which is known as the equatorial forest. The rain is here 2000 mm. 1600 mm rainfall you can see here, 2000 mm on both the side of river Amazon, and this area is covered by equatorial forest, and the temperature remains here 28 degrees Celsius. Guiana Highland, then Amazon basin. Next part is grassland animals. The grassland animals are found in this region. You can see savanna region is here. Here the grassland animals are found. This area covers from 2000 to 2800 kilometer area. And here the 21 degrees Celsius is temperature, 1500 mm is rainfall. You can see the difference in rainfall in this area and in this area. Here 2000 mm in equatorial region, and grassland receives only 1500. So deciduous forests are found here in this region. Then from 2800 to 3600 kilometer area is known as the Brazil Highland. This area is known as the Brazil Highland. Highland areas you can see in the physical map of Brazil, like Guiana Highland. Here the Brazilian highland is found. Here reptiles and grassland animals are found, that you can see here, and temperate forests are found here. This area covers with temperate forest. Here you can see the height is increased, and height of this area is 1200. The height of this area is nearly 1000, more than 1000 meter of Brazilian highland, and the temperate forests are found here. And here after this you can see the coastal region here. This coastal region is very narrow, which is shown here, which is close to the South Atlantic and North Atlantic Ocean. This region is coastal. So this region, what you can see is an escarpment. Escarpment is here. Its height is more than 1000 meter, and temperature remains here 27 degrees Celsius, and it receives 1200 mm. So which area receives 1200 mm rainfall? The coastal area. Which area is close to the ocean, it receives only 1200 mm of rainfall. So this diagram explains us about the physiography, means physical features, natural vegetation and wildlife of Brazil. Thank you.